Hi everyone, this video is going to be a basic skill in three-dimensional drawing. Okay, we're going to learn 1-point perspective today. So what you're going to need is paper, a pencil, any black marker and a ruler. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is draw a horizon, which is just a line that goes across the paper. Now don't worry if it's not exactly in the middle of the paper, you can just eyeball it like so. Okay, now this is important because it will help you distinguish between the sky and the ground and give your picture depth and perspective. Now there's a top tip that you need to remember, and that's these words: big, medium and small. So what that means is that anytime you draw an object onto your landscape picture, you need to have one that is big, medium and one that's small. So here's an example. So I've drawn a horizon line straight across my page, and you will notice there are two objects in this picture. We have the clouds and the mountains. So all I've done is drawn a big cloud, medium-sized cloud and a small cloud. And you can see there's also a big mountain, a medium-sized mountain and a small mountain. So when you combine those together, straight away you get a sense of depth and perspective happening. But that's all above the horizon line, and anything that's above the horizon line will always look like it's far away. So we want to make our landscape more powerful, and we're going to concentrate now on what's below the horizon line. So what you need to do is somewhere in the middle of the page, you are going to draw a dot. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So now what you're going to do is, using your ruler, you are going to draw a line that goes to the side, to your corner of your page. So I'm going to start from my dot, draw a line to this corner, and then from my dot to this corner on the left side of my page. Okay, so I've just created a triangle. So I want to turn this into a road. So now I'm just going to put in a small line, a medium-sized line and a big line. Remember those three words I said you need to remember? So now I want to draw some trees on this side of my page. So I'm going to have my big tree closest to me. Then I will have my medium-sized tree. And then I will have my smallest tree. I think I'll put it just on the horizon here. There you go. And now on this side of the page, I'm going to draw 3 lines. I have my big line, then I'm going to draw my medium-sized line, and then I'm going to draw my small line. And these I'm just going to turn into lampposts, like so. And there you go. So what you can see is that straight away our eyes are focused towards the center, and we've got this sense of perspective and a sense of depth. So now you know the technique, you can start to create a more realistic looking mountains and clouds and trees.